All right, what's up, you guys? I hope everyone's doing well. Today, going to be going over the 3 trades I took. Today was a bad habit day. Currently down around like 1K on all the combines. Have yet to activate the Top Step XFAs because I'd like to have all the accounts synchronized. Very frustrating day, but we're here nonetheless. So let's go over it. So first and foremost, let me show the executions. So, got break even, stopped out, and then like a nonsense turtle soup. So, let's get into it. Really difficult price action today, but it definitely should have been a no trade day. But I just didn't have the discipline. So, let's go in it, go through it, try to figure out where I can learn from today. And yeah, so prior to open, I had a bullish bias to previous weekly high. We did have Asia equal lows here, as well as an hourly intermediate term low, as well as this low resistance liquidity. But high time frame, I'm still bullish. I mean, we have yet to, have a reason to go lower, and I still want to see this buy model complete. We do have all this low resistance liquidity here stacked up on the 4-hour and just like lower time frame, so we obviously can rebalance to that. I think we're going to go to previous day low next after it looks like we're invalidating this 4-hour fair value gap on this candle. But essentially what I was looking to see was a manipulation lower to get longs up to previous weekly high. I didn't really want shorts that much, but yeah. So price open, we had London highs. These are London highs, and we had an SMT at London highs with ES because ES failed to take London highs. So, I mean, I felt like I was just leaning a little bit too bullish today. But what we did, we came up, manipulate higher. There was this 3-minute inverse fair value gap. I didn't take this because the close was already down here, and this would have gotten stopped to break even. Because you go break even at the internal low, came back up, hit break even. If you don't go break even, I mean, you go stop above. There was a 30-second turtle soup that I thought looked like a good stop loss, so could have taken this. I mean, I just didn't really like this though. And after that, that was seriously like the only real like decent setup. Like we just chopped after that, and I don't know why I stayed on. Like I should have just stepped off here. Like 10-20, after we took this low, we just closed through it. I should have just stepped off. Because after that, right, the hourly closes through this 1-hour fair value gap, and we're obviously bearish to this internal low as well as previous day low. And I mean, that was the first mistake. I should have just stepped off at 10:30. I don't have an edge after 10:30. But part of the reason why I wanted to stay on was because of the way that this week is set up. So we have FOMC on Wednesday. I have an exam at 2 p.m. though on Wednesday, so I can't trade Wednesday. Friday, I have an 8 a.m. It's an 8 a.m. to 9:50 exam, but like it's probably going to take the full time, so I probably won't be able to trade Friday as well. Tuesday, I have an exam tomorrow, 8 a.m. to it's supposed to be 9:50 as well. I'll probably finish it faster than that, so that leaves like pretty much one trading day, and then next week, I mean, I get rebuild on the 20th for all these combines. So, like, realistically, I still have next week, and, like, I'm still in a fine position. But, like, that was just running through my head pre-market. Like, okay, I kind of got to actually take a setup today or tomorrow if I want to be able to, just get off these combines. Because, like, in all honesty, I'm kind of crashing out here. I'm so sick of trading combines. Like, I know I have an edge. I know what I'm doing. I was on the live accounts, and I simply pissed them away because I just had a bad habit day. I couldn't take the L. It was a fine loss. I remember it. And yeah, I'm just fed up of trading combines. So I think that's part of the reason why I stayed on today. I broke my rules. I took this 15-second trade as a rebalance. I don't even remember what we were reacting off of. We just had this displacement leg up. We had the 5-minute here. Went break even at the 5-minute. After getting this 1-minute this 15-second inversion, and yeah, stopped to break even, literally the next candle. At that point, another opportunity to step off. Nope, didn't step off. I was staying patient. We came down, we took out the internal low, and we technically have like an SMT in at this internal low because ES took previous day high. I mean, this setup, like I'm not really upset about this loss. Like I'm more upset about staying on after 10:30 because that's probably part of the reason why this failed. I mean, I also think I just got the draw wrong. Like I think we're gonna go lower, but like we're also not even displacing lower yet. So I mean, we take out the internal low, high time frame SMT. We have an unfilled 15-minute, clear low resistance liquidity. I mean, we haven't taken like a single high here. We have equal highs here. I mean, like realistically, if this was around like 950-ish, 10, that's a fine loss. Like I'm not really upset about this loss. Went in for 2 cons. Stop below the body. Well, I think I moved it actually to the wick. Yeah, so it looks like I really got like one of the worst possible fills. And then I re-entered on like a 15-second turtle soup because, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit tilted after this. And then, yeah, like instantly stopped out. Yeah. I mean, overall, just like a really frustrating day. I mean, completely self-inflicted though. Probably should have just stepped off. And none of this would have happened. But it's part of the game. One thing I am certain though about with all of this is like that's never happening on like a real account. Again, like I'm very committed to following my rules with the live accounts now. Just getting these combines passed is like it's so frustrating. And it's the way that the game is set up that these prop firms want you to play. Like they want you to be thinking about the money, they want you to be thinking about passing them, and you just don't pass them by doing that. So I mean, I still have the accounts. Obviously, they took a hit today. But, yeah, essentially just going to have to learn from today and just, like, get off at 10:30. It's pretty simple. Because if I get off at 10:30, none of those setups happen. And I'm still at the spot that I was prior to today. So, yeah, very frustrating, but at least it's not like something technical. Because, I mean, I'm getting drawn liquidity right. I know where price is going. It's just, I mean, I had it completely right until 10:30, and I chose to stay on. So, it's frustrating. I can obviously be mad at myself, but there's nothing I can do in hindsight. So, just got to reframe the mindset going into tomorrow and then the rest of the week. Because, I mean, like, worst comes to worst, if I really need to, if it's up to chance here with these accounts, if I can't get anything good by the rest of the week, I mean, I probably will be able to get us up by the end of the week. Just have to stay patient, though. Wait for it to present itself. I mean, I can always just full board these next week with CPI. And, I mean, I'll either pass them or fail them. But, like, at this point in my trading, like, I know I'm a profitable trader. I know I'm a good trader. It's just, like, presenting myself the opportunity to actually get paid from this. And I don't get paid by, like, wasting time on combines. So, like, that has kind of just been the way it's been the past month. Just, like, you know, staying patient. Like, I've had good habits the past 2 weeks up until today. Just unfortunate to lose that streak, but yeah, I don't know. I guess it's just like the pent up combination of boredom as well as frustration with like some of the recent trades not playing out. Like, for example, the Friday break even, where like I could have taken profits at the 5-minute and been like a lot closer to passing the accounts, but I didn't because of the chance that it could have ran to TP and I would have passed them. Like, that's fine, but yeah, I don't know. Just a combination of a lot of things led to today's bad habit day. Accounts are still intact, so we can still make this up. I mean, the odds of me having 2 losing trades is like less than 5% or something like that, incredibly low. So we're still in the game. Just have to stay patient the rest of the week and make up the bad habit day with good habits the rest of the week. So, yeah, I mean, if you guys learned something from this video, it's just follow your rules. That's the only thing that's going to, make you profitable and actually take you to where you deserve to be in your trading or career or literally anything. I'm only delaying my own progress by doing what I did today, staying on past 10:30 when I know I don't have an edge past 10:30. So, yeah, got to get the mental right, lock in for the rest of the week. If I can't take any trades, then it is what it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys learned something. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.